Hey, record living friends. This is Brian from Tokyo Record Style. I am here in central Tokyo on a little misadventure, and I'm walking past a place that I have walked past dozens of times, but I have never actually stepped foot in the space. And today I decided it would be the day that I would come and check it out. The name of this space is called Bingo. And if you are a lover of fine automobiles and auto mechanics and beautiful mechanical engineering, this is a place for you to come and visit. There's lots of people that come from, I think, all around the world actually to come visit Bingo because it is an incredible showroom, dealership, auction house, consignment, and celebration of very amazing supercar culture. And this is just a very small collection of the cars that are on offer from Bingo. They've got two beautiful little toy Ferraris down here. I dare call them toys, but some beautiful, wow, that's really actually quite beautiful work. A glorious painting here of F1 on the back. And then the Apollo. This is a super special, very, very rare car, and I don't think I will have the chance to see one again. The Apollo, there's the name, the E something or other, and I'm very excited to see it. Oh my gosh, it's so aggressive and so beautiful, and it looks like it's just truly lives up to the name Hypercar. The Countach, the brand new Countach we say in the States, a really wonderful sort of metallic champagne, also really aggressive and pays beautiful tribute to the original here with its very sharky nose. But if this is not my favorite car in the collection, then the next one is. But here is a glorious red Miura. I think in Japan it's called the Iota. And it has the spoiler on the roof, and oh my gosh, it doesn't have the beautiful little eyelashes, but this has got to be one of the most beautiful cars ever made. The Lamborghini Miura. I think the first Lamborghini besides the tractors. You know, I don't know the history of these cars. I'm kind of a fair-weathered car enthusiast, but if I remember correctly, it's got to be from the 70s, and I could probably ask the lovely staff here who were so generous to let me come in and film here a little bit. This next car is really interesting. I don't really know so well about this, but I recognize the badge, of course, the Porsche badge, and the resemblance to the 356, but it's not a 356. It's a Zagato. It's a Zagato design on a Porsche drivetrain, I'm guessing. Designs for a 356, a Zagato version that were recently discovered, I think in the last couple of years, and they hand built it based on the original designs. And so it's a brand new build, but it is just a really unique, that beautiful flying saucer shape, but slightly different from the 356. It's a little bit sharkier. It's got a little bit more of that Italian bravado or something to it. I really, really dig it. And the hubcapless tires, it's really, really stunning. And the rear here looks a little bit more 356. It even looks, it's got a little American thing going on. Wow, God, the back of the Miura is stunning. And then Pagani. This is also an extremely rare car. I don't think I've ever seen a Pagani before. I think they only make less than 100 of these per year, something like this, maybe even far less. I'm not really sure, but I don't know what I can tell you about it. I will have to look up and do a little studying about the different models. This one is the Carrera, right? I've seen that name before. I've heard people talk about it, and it's all carbon fiber, and oh my God, it looks like a rocket ship in there. Can you imagine? It's very, very cool. There are two Koenigseggs here. The one off in the distance is the hybrid, which is super, super fast. Swedish-made Koenigseggs, which are just, they're like nothing sexier, except perhaps this Miura. But this is an amazing opportunity to see some hypercars. Forgive me for not knowing more about this entire world. I appreciate it from afar. It's just like a cool chance. I'm so glad that I came in here, and I want to send a special thank you to Bingo-san for letting me come in here and film this. It's overwhelming. It's really, really overwhelming. Incredibly special collection of cars. And they're regularly hosting events. They're out at the various tracks, and some of the owners are driving the cars, and some racers, I think, are piloting some of these machines. I know that there's some events coming up, and I'll leave in the show notes some of the activities that are coming, and you can learn about them. And if you're around, you can follow up, join one of their events. They have a in-house made magazine. It was so nice to get a copy of it, and in the back, it has all the different cars that are on auction, motorcycles too. It was fun to talk to them about potentially collaborating in the future with the sidecar project. So I would love to embed myself a little bit more in car culture, because the motorcycle, actually, the sidecar project that I'm working on right now, is something that I want to bring and I want to show off a little bit, even though it's pretty modest compared to all of this amazing engineering. It's fun. It's a fun thought. So come check out Bingo Sports, amazing space, official Bugatti store, okay? So if you come here, you can come perhaps see a Bugatti, a Koenigsegg, a Pagani, Ferraris, Lamborghinis, and all the super and hyper cars at Bingo here in the heart of central Tokyo. So thank you for joining me on another Tokyo Record Style misadventure. I know it's not exactly music related, but whew, I'm happy to share. Okay, if you like what you saw, then if you wouldn't mind, like and subscribe, and thank you so much. 30-year heritage here at Bingo Sports, and I'm gonna go enjoy these cars a little bit more. Until next time, I'll see you at the Hypercar store. Bye.